All right, hello and welcome to your rhythmic breathing session. Make sure you're in a comfy, quiet, and safe place with no distractions. Lying down with headphones in and eyes closed or covered. This is our thoughtfully curated practice in which we're going to be doing 4 rounds of upregulated breathing with holds on empty for each round. And as the rounds progress, so too will the breathing and the breath holds. Filling your lungs on the inhale and then letting out the air on the exhale. If at any point you need to breathe, that's totally fine. Just find a pace of breath that feels right to you. The deeper you breathe, the deeper you'll go. Filling up from the belly, mouth breathing is ideal, but these are all just recommendations. You do exactly what feels right for you. So let's get started. This first round consists of 60 seconds of 4-count breath, and then we double it up to 30 seconds of 2-count breathing. Following that, we enter into a 45-second hold. Getting ready. On my cue. In 3, 2, 1, and in 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1, in, and out, just like that. There it is. There it is. Just go with the flow of the breath. Filling all your lungs and letting go. Just like that, make it circular, make it rhythmic, make it flowy. And when the beat drops, we're going to pick up the pace, double the time, 2-count breath. Are you ready? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, and in, 2, out, 2, in, and out. Continuing just like that. There it is. There it is. Just 8 more breaths like this before a big hold on full, only to release it all. 4, out. 3, out. 2, out. 1, out. Let's take a full breath in, all the way up, and hold at the top. Give me a gentle squeeze. And with a big sigh, let it go. Holding on empty. How do you feel? All right, we're halfway there in this hold. We just continue to feel into the feels. Noticing the sensations coursing through your body. There you go. Getting ready for a big breath in 3, 2, 1, and take it in all the way up to the very top. Hold it and squeeze it one more. And release it all. Empty out all the air. As we make our way into round 2, it's going to be 4-count breath for 30 seconds, 2-count breath for 60 seconds, and then doubling that up one more time to a 1-count breath for 30 seconds before entering into a 60-second hold on empty. First, 4-count breath. Here we go. And in 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1, all the way in, and let it go. And out, continuing just like that. There it is. Why not pick it up, double the pace, yeah? All right, let's do this. Here we go. And in, 2, out, 2, in, 2, like to breathe this way. Fast and forceful. Long and deep. Feel the diaphragm and the chest rise on the in-breath, and the same thing happen in reverse order on the out-breath. Feel it. Feel every nuance. As we double it up, once again, in 3, 2, 1, and in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Yes. Just 30 seconds like this, so rest assured you can go for it. "16 more breaths, just like this, before a big hold on full. And here it comes on my cue in 3, 2, 1, and big breath in all the way to the top. Tuck it in, squeeze it tight. And we're going to release all the tension with a big sigh on my cue and let it go. Let all the air out, and again, all you have to do here is just rest in the stillness and in the spaciousness that you have created for yourself. What do you feel? We're halfway there. Where do you feel it? We are approaching 60 seconds, getting ready for that full breath. On my cue, in 3, 2, 1, and take it in all the way to the very top. Give yourself a smile for being here with that breath full. Getting ready to release it all out. Go on, take it. Woo! All right. Notice how that feels as we enter into round 3. 30 seconds of 4 count. 60 seconds of 2 count. 60 seconds of 1 count. Into a 75-second hold. Let's try that out. In 3, 2, 1, and in 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1. Take it in and let it go. Full breaths. Let it go. Flow like a wave. Ride that breath. We're gonna pick it up, double the time, you know what to do. Getting ready, on my cue in 3, 2, 1, and in, 2, out, 2, in, 2, out, 2. Flow like a wave, ride that breath. Flow like a wave, ride that breath. And if this feels good, perhaps you feel inclined to give yourself a little movement of the spine to the music. Move to it. Groove to it. Feel it. And breathe to it. Use your breath as an instrument. There it is. We're going to double the pace once again. On my cue in 3, 2, 1, and in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. I know this is fast, but this is why we're here. The deeper you breathe, the deeper you'll go. With that said, you take it exactly at the pace that feels right to you. As we come into the last 40 seconds of this breathing cadence. Are you grooving? Good. Last few breaths. Come on, give it to me. And getting ready for that breath. In 3, 2, 1, and take it in. All the way to the top. Squeeze it all to your head. Squeeze, squeeze, tight. And we're going to release that tension with a big sigh on my cue. And let it all fall away, let it all go. And feel the stillness on the other side. Perhaps you're tingling. Perhaps you're buzzing. Perhaps you're ringing. These responses are normal. You're doing wonders for yourself. All that's asked of you right now is just to rest in it. 30 seconds left on this 75-second hold. And if you can't hold for that long, that's fine. Take a breath in and hold at the top. Just enjoy the ride. And with that, you made it to 75 seconds. Let us slowly take in a full lung of air. Slow, slow, all the way to the top. And with a whispery sigh, let it all go. Yes. Last round. 2 count breath for 90 seconds, 1 count breath for 60 seconds, and then we hold on empty for a minute and a half. Join me, will you? In 3, 2, 1, and into, out, to, into, out, to, in, out. There you go. release, let it go. Let out all the air. We hold on empty for 90 seconds if you're able. And if you're not, just take in that breath whenever it feels right. How do you feel? Willfully throwing yourself through the extremes. The breath. The stillness. The stress. And the rest. We have just over 30 seconds remaining in our longest hold of the session. Notice what arises. Okay, let's take the slowest inhale yet of the entire session. Notice every morsel of air enter your lungs. Gently squeeze it to your head. And on our last release, we're going to let go with a vocal hum. Getting ready. And go for it. At this point, letting go of the practice while keeping an inward state of introspection, keeping your eyes closed, and just tuning into right now, tuning into how you feel right now. How do you feel in your emotional state? How do you feel in your state of consciousness? Do you feel different in any way from when you first entered into this breathwork practice? Just resting for a little while longer in this state that you have created through your breath. Alright, thank you for showing up today and putting in the work. When you feel you're ready, you can get up slowly and gently continue on with your day. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and we will see you here tomorrow.